Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. Today we are having our Tuffy Security Box installed and customized for our two-door JL Part 1. Watch for Part 2. There are links in the description. Part 2 covers more customization, more additions, and generally more things to make it more usable. Enjoy!
It's only got like 4 basic pieces anyway.
Yeah, this is just a filler. We'll use it for something.
But it encloses 3 of the 4 back sides. Hey, there we go. That seal's got your neon, goes back at the very back, and seals against the tailgate. Slides, I think, for the roof, for the top. It pulls forward and up. I'm not sure if that one held that one. I put one in my TJ, so this one's very similar, I'm sure.
This is actually for a 4-door, right? Or is this for the 2-door?
That'd be for 2-door.
Okay.
I thought it'd be deeper than that, like all the way near the back of the seat.
Yeah, that's why I didn't take everything out of the front.
I thought it was going to go all the way up there. Okay, let's see what we end up with, because that's wasted space to me. See, I intended all that little extra space in the very back where I could like put other little things in when I hit the trail, like my cooler and stuff like that.
You mean behind the front seat?
No, right here at the back of the gate.
Gotcha. I got you.
Thought this would be deeper. It's dark in here, but hopefully you can see this. We've got the Tuffy Security Box installed in the JL, but it really is not coming as far as I wanted it to. I really wanted it to come all the way up to the back of the console. I understand why it doesn't, but we're going to build some things into it, give it a little extra depth. So watch for that coming soon. Give you a little better perspective because you can see the distance between the back of the seat and the back of the box. I'm losing about a foot there, and we're going to see what we can do about that. The side, my refrigerator freezer does fit in the back with a little space up on top. Now, I don't ever intend to open it in here. This is more for transport to wherever we take it to anyway. We're going to put some tie downs in the middle of it. You can see underneath it the space that I have. Not as much as I want, but when we extend it, it'll end up being better.
And here we have removed the back panel on the Tuffy Box, and this is how we are going to figure out how we're going to extend it. And we have test fitted a chainsaw. We can see how far forward the chainsaw goes and how we are going to extend it and make some more custom touches in order to keep all of this enclosed inside the box. All of that will be coming up shortly, right about now.
It's like soapstone, but not. You said 67 3/4
Yeah, total length.
by 14.
12 and a half.
An inch and a half short. Did I remember an inch and a half shorter, or did you shorten it an inch and a half?
So I had an inch and a half for each side, but the end actually overlaps, so we don't need the extra inch and a half. So 11
Okay, all right.
plus an inch and a half.
Okay, all right, gotcha. All right. Okay.
Now it's on. Yeah, okay. I didn't have your head in it though, so there you go.
test piece.
Yep. I'm trying to find the center.
Oh,
Cause I need to measure off of that.
to get the edge.
Cause the legs don't matter. We can cut them, but if I'm wrong about the middle, we gotta start over. So I want the middle to be correct.
Measure 25 times, cut once, bend once, bend once.
38. 5/8.
Now the moment of truth.
Yep. It don't look bad from here.
They never do.
They never do. he said. Grows too much. I think I can pound that in though, make it work.
Oh yeah, those will give a little bit too.
Yep.
Get that corner on an anvil or something.
Yep.
Pound it in and shrink it back.
I wish I'd have gone a little extra instead of trying to make it perfect now.
Got that bow in the middle.
What's that?
He's trying to shove it in. Got a bit of a bow in the middle.
Let's see. These flatheads. Let you just stay right there. Sheesh.
Well, if you pounded both ends on something like anvil-like, if you pounded both ends, you might get enough off both sides.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Like make the corner sharper maybe?
Yeah.
Yep.
Take a little bit off each side, ought to make it fit just right.
Cheap.
Like it'll work.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna make some noise.
Yep. I'm bleeding. I think I was bleeding last time you were here.
You were. And the time before when we did a bumper on his wife.
Yeah, I don't know what to.
I lost audio on this, but as you can see, the corners fit pretty well here, and the legs are just a little bit long, and we're getting ready to, they are getting ready to trim the legs.
Yeah, we just throwed that down in there. We decide what we're gonna do with it yet.
We'll try to fit it somewhere.
Need a hand of any kind?
Not yet.
Didn't think about it until I saw him had his light on there a minute ago. I said, well, you know what?
Make you climb down out there again.
I was getting ready to. Thank you.
Yep. Play dodgeball.
This should be the easy ones, huh?
Well,
Easier.
once I get them in, I gotta climb through the back to get to them and tighten them.
I've got something, so you can just hold them.
I see that gap right there. Might be a good place for it sealed. It's gonna be that low. Thought we were higher than that. Pretty good gap. That doesn't look like much from that side. But from in here you can really see it. I mean, it's a good foot. Didn't we set out 11.5 or something like that?
I hope everybody's enjoyed this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'd like to know what you think about this stuff. We work on new content all the time. Thanks for watching.